What is going on, guys? We are back again working on the Duster. We've got the 352 shootout coming up this weekend. Never too late to get some QA1 from Summit Racing. Gonna put some new shocks in here in the Duster, get this guy all running right. Wow. These are the adjustable. Made sure I bought the adjustable ones. So yeah, there's the little knob. You can add or subtract the compression in there. Got washers, that's what we need. Lifetime warranty. That is one nice thing about QA1. Their lifetime warranty, you just gotta call them and they'll hook you up. Is that I've got QA1 lower control arms on this. You can see right. You can see there's QA1 lower control arms. That was after I had smacked the front end. So it was time for a little upgrade. A little bit more upgrade today. Alright, so when swapping your suspension out on an A body, or really any Mopars, first you got to take these bolts out. That's going to drop the top half. And these guys right here are going to be the other ones you have to take out. And then that shock will just drop right on it. Gently pump it up 3 more times until you feel really good. It's got to be wrong hard. The alarm lock's not holding. How you feeling? Good? Going down. Good. Alright, I'm opening it to the floor. And I'm closing it. It's closed. Oh yeah, you look like you're having fun. I'll be right there. Yeah, always remember, use the spacers that they provide. If it doesn't fit correctly, it's gonna lead to more issues when you're driving. And now we're going to unbox these guys. Oh, in the bag, 19 levels of compression adjustment. So 19 different settings. We'll definitely have to figure out which one works best for the Duster. So, everyone,
don't put the wrong bushing on your setup before you check it, because you have to then slice it down. I don't know if you guys can see this. You got to then slice this guy out so that way you can get your bolt back, because you got to smack it into place. So just remember, double check before you try to put it together. Unlikely.
Thank you.